Alright, caution heavy lift, priority mail. Let's see what the weight is. There is no weight. There is no weight. Anyway. Here we go. It is fairly stout, I'll give it that. AccuLock Precision Machinist Vise Technical Documents. Spherical segment, that's what I like to see. Looks like she'll be alright. I went ahead and went with oh, look at the little Vise handle, just a teeny guy. It's so cute. I ended up going with the 3-inch Vise, mainly due to, well, size restrictions on the table. You know, I'm not really, I don't know that when having 4-inch Vise bolted down, I'd get my full table movement. No, I'm sure I wouldn't actually, so. Yeah, here she is. Yeah, jaws line up nicely so far. All greased up decently. Almost no play on that on that jaw. 4 screws to remove this back jaw. Threaded and tapped and threaded on both sides of the jaws for either soft jaws or moving these. It looks like they're ground jaws to the back side for holding larger pieces. Now that being said, it's still going to be a rather tight fit on the machine if I want to go, if I want to keep this in the Y. It's going to be rather, it'll be rather close. But I can grind off this back here. And yeah, I suppose I can always mount it like this. So this is X. Yeah! So anyway, yeah. My beloved wife is calling me. Definitely gonna take up some real estate on the mill though. Definitely gonna take up some real estate on the mill. See the new Vise?
Ooh.
Well, that was only like $300. That's cool.
Yeah. Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Have a good day, guys. So yeah, I got this in the mail today. I'm pretty happy with it. I think I'll be even happier with it when I get this back lip cut down. Just for, I mean, room purposes. You know, compare this to the table it'll be going on, and well, first off, there's no way if I take the table off of if I take the Vise off the table, there's no way to truly get, like, first of all, I couldn't mount it like this because these are over the sides they'd be over the sides of the table. So if I mount it center slot, then I'm hanging off way too far that way. If I mount it first slot, which would probably have to be done, then this jaw is so far this way. Yeah, I might be able to get away with mounting it center slot and cutting it there, and maybe, just maybe, I'll clear everything and be able to get my full travel. So that'll be closest to having this jaw with the edge of my cut travel. So that's my main thought right now, is how much travel am I actually gonna have with this guy on there. Now, if it's mounted like this, which is, you know, it's reasonable, it's not totally out of the question, this still has to get cut down. I'm sure of it. So no matter what I do, no matter how this gets mounted, something's got to get cut or ground.